a quick video on how to get your Ableton looping with an audio instrument using a Boss RC202. So first up, I'm gonna connect a MIDI cable to my Scarlett, which is a 2i4, and it's going to the MIDI out, and then that's going to go into the RC202 into the MIDI in. Okay, so that's going to help us link these two together. And then in my Ableton preferences, I'm going to, Command comma is the key command to get there. And over here, I'm going to turn the sync on for the input of my Scarlett and for the output of the Scarlett. I'm going to turn the sync on for both of them. And I'm going to just play a beat now. And now if you look here on the RC202, we can see that the thing is kind of synced. He's not able to change tempo, so let's try a quick loop. Perfectly in time now. And now if I change the tempo, let's try to change the tempo. Cool little effect. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Let's slow it down. You can turn the beat off and we can just hear the keyboards. And so that's how you do the loop. Yeah!